Okay, I am going to fix some fresh spinach, and I baked a russet potato and cooked some lentils. And while the potatoes and the lentils were cooking, I went and did a little crafting and uh, listened to the behavior panel on YouTube. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time with dinner. You know, you put the potato in the oven or the air fryer, let it cook, put the beans on, the lentils, and let them cook. And now all I'm going to do is make some fresh spinach, and then my dinner will be ready. I didn't have to slave over it or anything. And this meal doesn't have any meat in it. And don't y'all think that I'm vegan or vegetarian or anything. I'll eat meat, but a lot of times, it upsets my stomach. Beef sometimes. It just depends on how it's cooked and what's in it. Things like lasagna and spaghetti, those can just really upset my stomach. And so that's why I eat like I do, like I'm not interested in food. I love food. I'm not fond of seafood, but I love eating all kinds of stuff. But it just doesn't like me. Okay, I'm heating my pan up with some olive oil. And this spinach is already washed. I'm just going to get some handfuls. Let me turn you down here so you can see. A little salt. Black peppers. I'll put a little nutmeg in there. Okay, now I'm going to put in a little bit of cream. 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese in there. turn it off. Okay, I cooked 3 baked potatoes, and I've got 2 that I'm going to save in the refrigerator, and I'll use those for hash browns or I don't know, whatever else I decide to do with them. Okay, now I am going to put on some Greek yogurt as my substitute for sour cream. Put on some salt. That's one thing I like, is a little extra salt on potatoes. Some black pepper. Some parsley. Okay. And I'm going to add some hemp seeds. Okay. Hemp seeds, let's see, 3 tablespoons, and I don't believe I put 3 tablespoons on there, has 10 grams of protein. So if you're struggling trying to get enough protein, you can add some hemp seeds or some chia seeds. And the Greek yogurt has 7 grams of protein for 2/3 of a cup. Of course, I didn't put that much in there. Okay, now let me get my spinach on here. And let me get my soup. I used red lentils. I like red lentils better than the other ones. And my sister makes an excellent soup with red lentils. And I seasoned these. The only thing I seasoned them with was a teaspoon. I measured it out. A teaspoon of vegetable bouillon. Okay, I'm going to top it with just a little bit of Greek yogurt. All right. Yeah, let me see here. Let me get it all fixed up for you so you can see it. All right. There's my dinner. Red lentil soup with a dollop of Greek yogurt, fresh spinach cooked in 2 teaspoons of olive oil with a little salt and pepper, heavy whipping cream, and a little bit of grated parmesan cheese, and a baked potato with Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, and dried parsley, and some hemp seeds. And that's going to be my dinner. You know, I could add some beets, but I'll save those. So that's my dinner. And all that, except for the spinach, potato, and the lentils, cooked while I was playing on YouTube and crafting. So that was another quick dinner. I was so surprised that my 15-minute supper has gotten, I don't know, over 350 views. Does that mean y'all want quick meals? I can cook some quick meals out of, I guess, laziness, because I don't want to spend a lot of time cooking. Sometimes I feel like doing more, but anyway. Well, y'all have a good evening, a good day, a good afternoon, and please remember to be kind to someone. Someone needs your kindness today. Bye.